Hello and welcome back once again in your online maths class. And I hope you all are wearing mask like Beanie. Beanie also wear mask and she drinks lots of water. And today Beanie wants to study with all of you. Can you tell me what will I teach you? Yes, today I am going to teach you backward counting. Today I am going to teach you what? Backward counting. And before starting backward counting, let us do revise forward counting. So can you tell me what is the meaning of forward counting? Yes, forward counting means you have to move forward. You have to move ahead. One by one step ahead. If you start from 1, so you have to move 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 like this. Understood everybody? And one thing you have to remember, always you have to start forward counting from the smallest number. So, now I am going to start backward counting. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Can you see here one banana is there? Yes, and Beanie wants to eat banana because banana is a healthy food and Beanie always wants to eat healthy food. But how she will get the banana? How she will go up? Yes, by using this ladder, she will go up. Okay. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just see everybody. She is moving forward. Okay. She is moving forward. So this is called forward counting. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. At last Beanie reached and she is taking the banana, just see. But now she wants to come down. So how she will come down? Yes, by using the ladder only. Then she will start moving back. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and at last she reached. So this is called backward counting. This is called what? Backward counting. So 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have to move back. Understood? Because 9 comes before 10, 8 comes before 9, 7 comes before 8, 6 comes before 7, 5 comes before 6. So like this you have to move. I hope you all have understood what is the meaning of backward counting. Now we will do one activity on backward counting. B-A-C-K back, W-A-R-D word, backward counting. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G, backward counting. And Beanie wants to come down to play. So how she will come? By using stairs. She will come down by using stairs. So 10, 9, 8. Just see everybody. She is moving back. She is moving back. Okay. Then 7, 6. One step. She is moving back. 5. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. And she reached down. So, this is called backward counting. Understood, everybody? I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Okay? So, again I will come with my new activity. So, thank you for today.